One day, like any other day of the week, the bank was working and receiving customers, but today the store received its first customer of the day, a man. When he entered, he wore a robber's hat to cover his face. The bank staff began to detect and react. The girl started to pick up the phone to call the police to come and help. We need to know how panicked she was at this moment. The man used an axe to break the tempered glass in front, while the girl just held a stick and pointed it at the robber. The glass was quite sturdy. The man tried to work as fast as he could. When there were two people, the female employee tried to shout loudly to make the robber stop, but it had no effect on the robber. Seeing that, the staff tried to quickly take anything valuable on the desk. When the robber can't get in, continue to create a wider entrance. The robbers had already entered and started looting the bank. The police had not arrived yet. The robber took a stack of money left behind when the employee was too panicked and couldn't remember. When he started to escape, the police arrived. One foot is still in the hole, and the robber is delaying to think of another way to escape. And as soon as he escaped the police's grasp, he followed the employee's path to escape. It was a pity that the thief escaped. The police did not take any decisive action at this moment.